How to remove Visual Editor in WordPress. Hey guys, Brian with WP Cupid blog, and in this video we are going to be going over how to remove, disable, or hide Visual Editor mode in WordPress. Be sure to hit the subscribe button as we are always posting WordPress tutorial videos. WordPress has a great feature called Visual Editor that makes your post writing area look very similar to Microsoft Word. This feature offered by WordPress makes writing blog posts really easy. One of the problems with the Visual Editor is it can mess up the formatting. A typical example of this is, let's just say you are writing a post and you switch over to the HTML mode and then switch back to the Visual Editor. More than likely you will find that you have lost most of your formatting, and it will then cause errors on your website. This is one of the many reasons why you would want to remove, disable, or hide the Visual Editor in WordPress. Let's dive into how to remove Visual Editor in WordPress. When you log in and start writing your new post, we want the HTML mode to load automatically instead of the visual mode. To do this, you want to start off by logging into your WordPress dashboard. You want to go to Users, Your Profile. You will then see something very similar to the image shown here. You want to select Disable the Visual Editor when writing posts option. Once you do this, you won't have to deal with the formatting errors that are caused by WordPress. You might be worried that you will have to enter things strictly in HTML, but that is not the case. You're still going to see a bar that can help you edit posts. It just isn't going to be as rich featured as the Visual Editor. Here's what it looks like once you remove the Visual Editor in WordPress. Keep in mind that it might look slightly different on yours, as this area can change little by little over time, but it'll be real close to this. We recommend using this mode without the Visual Editor if you have a basic understanding of HTML. That is how to remove Visual Editor in WordPress. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.